Hello guys, welcome to Tech Stacks. Today we will learn how to undo a git init command and remove the git repository that was created. So we will begin from here. In the terminal we will type code dot and this will open our VS Code which is installed on our system. So now before doing this, it's always a good idea to create a backup of any files or data that you might have in the repository, as the following steps will remove the git version control from your project. The git init command creates a hidden directory. I will show you here. See this hidden directory. So the git init command creates a hidden directory .git at the root of your project. To undo the initialization and remove the repository, you need to delete this directory. However, please note that this step will permanently remove the git history and all associated data. In most of the operating systems, the commands which I am going to tell you, it works. Like on Linux or Mac OS, in the bash, we type rm-rf.git, and we are on Windows, so we will type here. First of all, we will open the terminal and we will type here rmdir. This is for command prompt, but we are on Windows PowerShell, so we will type here remove item dash recurs dash hosts dot git and enter. After executing the above command, the .git directory and its contents is removed completely. You can double check by navigating to the root directory. See, earlier there was a folder .git. It is removed and it is permanently deleted. But with it, all the git data and the history of the git is also deleted permanently.